I'm Logan Duvall, and another way to experience Arkansas agriculture is with the specialty crop, watermelons. Here in Grady, Arkansas at the Carpenter family farm, we are going to see the entire process.
I'm Abraham Carpenter Jr. I'm the manager of Carpenter's Produce Farm, located in Grady, Arkansas, Lincoln County. My family and I grow over 1,500 acres of produce and ship it all over the nation. Some of our major clients are Walmart, Kroger's, Metropolitan Foods, but we ship it all over the nation. Watermelons, greens, you name it. We grow over probably 25, 30 different varieties of produce.
My name is Danny Carpenter. I'm with Carpenter's Produce. My special watermelons, we got the 720s. We have about 200 to 300 acres of watermelons, but we rotate them, keep them rotated. And guys, we have the best 720 watermelons in the state.
We got a good staff of H-2A workers that we get in every year, in addition to the 35 family members, and they work just as diligently as we do.
When it's harvest time, that means it's work time. It's time to get it sun up to sundown. We get out there early in the morning at 6 o'clock, and we don't shut it down until around about 6 o'clock that afternoon. So harvest season is time to really get it. When you get it firsthand experience, my guys, when they see a watermelon, it's got a little curve on the end, that watermelon ready to go.
A lot of farmers are really becoming interested in specialty crops. Specialty crops, they have an increase in value compared to some row crops, and the farmers are seeing that, and we're seeing an increase in acreage, I believe, due to that.
We got several markets. We have two in Little Rock. We got one downtown next to the Clinton's Library, and we on Chico and Baseline Road. We have one in Pine Bluff, and we got a whole lot of local stores that we sell to. We enjoy serving our people. It doesn't make a difference what nation or color you are. We love everybody. Carpenters love everybody.
We take pride in digging in the dirt. We take pride in growing the watermelons, the cantaloupes. We take pride in cooking the food. When you grow it and cook it with love, that makes all the difference, brother.